Standard, you filming now?
Yeah.
This is your standard, what they call diamond box trap.
Okay.
Okay? And what it is, it's this particular one is made for the Esconobidich First Nation. I made 4 traps this winter. And there's not many people on the river that makes these traps now. They're hard to, they're complicated to make. I make them in that garage over there. The garage is in the wintertime, but I have to bring them out here to put on what I call the rack in order to put the diamond.
Now the rack is the pole.
The rack is the pole.
Okay. Okay. So
I have to bring it out here to put in. See the diamond shape in the middle?
Right, I see that.
I have to bring it out here to put that diamond shape in. How this works, and this is the design that they wanted. This is called a door. See where it's open?
right.
In my traps that I use out here for bass fishing,
Right.
the leader comes. I got a mini leader that comes out to about the first panel.
Is it wider, the leader?
No.
The same
It's
same
longer.
shape.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's longer.
Okay.
Go
Go ahead.